iokwe SDA fam and jaramang ngan alap Rijikuul ro. Hopefully I said that right. My Marshallese is a little bit rusty. Not gonna lie, it's been a while. But for those of you who don't know me, my name is Mr. Jeff, and I was the sponsor for these 12th graders now. They were my 10th grade math class and life skills, which feels like yesterday, but it's already been 2 years. But I just wanted to say a quick shout out, special congratulations to you all. For this big day. It's graduation. It's a big step in your life, and all of the teachers here stateside are super proud and super excited for you all, for all of your accomplishments and all that is in store for you all in the coming years as you close this chapter of your life and start the next. We can't wait to see what is in store for you all, and hopefully you're applying to CMI now. And get started on that. But Mr. Garrett and Mr. Enoch reached out to me and asked if we could put together a video just to recap some of the memories from this year and some of the past years. I know one memory that sticks with me from your class is when we had our movie night and we went to drop Jennifer off at Laura afterwards, and I hit a speed bump, and Ruth Mina may have had like a low-key asthma attack, and then we also got stuck in Laura because Keeble tried turning on the van while the lights were on and we lost power. But hopefully there's some other memories in this video that you remember, and yeah, just wanted to say we love you all, we miss you all, can't wait to see you soon. Ongage komi and anish ipemi. Okay, see you guys.
Sister, we're gonna say 22. 22 on 3, 1, 2, 3.
Grew up in the mainland, came back to my homeland. Re-up with the tribe and Marshalls is my island. So chill in the moment, just me and my homies. Gonna all our worries, we're gonna throw all our troubles away. Kick it with my jetters up front, been a minute and we're sipping and just having fun. Everybody's in the streets now, we can jump up to the beach now, beach now. Kick it with my jetters up front, been a minute and we're sipping and just having fun. Everybody's in the streets now, you can jump up to the beach now, beach now, yeah. Do you know where you find these? That's where you'll find me, yeah. Iokwe to all of me people, Iokwe to all of them warriors. Be the young, the wise, and the creeper. All my people rise above the barriers. Iskamalo se merilang, kan Manit in my lingina. So chill in the moment, just me and my homies. Got all on the worries, we're gonna throw all our troubles away. When I see you, when I see you, through the good and the bad, you know I got your back, kept me out of trouble. You're my mother, Majel. Run it! But the corruption interrupted eruption, building a coalition, elections, the destruction. Illicit representation of the bitter forgotten, running up on the people when all we see is a drowning.